do after you get your holes drilled in the top is you're going to disattach your arm here, lay it down. You can start this nut back on the 1/4" screw after you take the arm off. Again, just get it snug. Then what we're going to do, take our hardware bag, take our 1/4" screws out, 3 of them, since we drilled 3 holes, 3 1/4" nuts. And what we'll do, use your prop again, up on the fan. Slide your prop underneath. Slide your 1/4" bolt from the bottom up. Get it started, get it snug. Same thing with the other 2. Now that we got all 3 bolts in the top part, one on the side for the arm, leave your arm off and do the exact same thing we did on the other side. Okay, now once you get both arms on, you got the 1/4" bolts installed, and put both your arms back on. So undo your 1/4" bolt here, slide it on. This time you want to go ahead and tighten it up snug. So take a 7/16 nut driver, tighten that one good and firm. Okay, now then what we're going to do, we're going to tilt this fan back. Actually, let's back up one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 9/16" wrenches and go ahead and tighten up the back. That when we tilt it back, it doesn't give any play and bend any of the parts. So take 2 9/16" wrenches. Get it snug. Just give it a couple turns until it's on there tight. Now then, once you get this one snug, go ahead and tighten in this side. And that's really what's going to keep the bolt steady. Okay, now then, we do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to tilt the fan back, which I'll show you in just a second. Okay, once you get your arms on, you tilt the fan back, just like this, pop it up towards your leg, especially if you have somebody else to do it, definitely that's the best way to go. Take your 7/16" nut driver, 7/16 ratchet. Just tighten up these top ones. Okay. Get those 3 tightened. Then what you're going to do, set it down, and then you're going to slide the fan back to tighten up the back side. Now once you got the back tilted back like this, go ahead and slap on your 7/16 ratchet, tighten it with the nut driver up top again. Same thing on the other side. Next thing we're going to do is attach the cable, and then we're done.